Validate credibility is product software for a specific operational decision. Assesses the reliability and trustworthiness of data sources to ensure signal quality. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that product teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Validate credibility narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Validate credibility starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include source age, sampling coverage, verification rate, bias indicator, and update frequency. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. For my to audit, the workflow then applies calculate recency adjusted age score where newer sources get lower scores but with diminishing returns after 24 months. Calculate coverage adjusted sample score where sampling below 30% gets severely penalized. Calculate verification confidence score with baseline bonus for attempting verification. Calculate penalty points for perceived bias with higher bias indicators incurring larger penalties, and determine freshness multiplier based on how frequently the data source updates. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how product teams actually make decisions. Validate credibility returns structured outputs such as credibility score, quality tier, risk indicator, credibility assessment, and dimension correlation matrix. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. It is a controlled way to turn repeated product work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.